how to transform a basic fold table into two functional pieces in the home. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be transforming a folding table, and I'll be using 3 actually for this project. And these are tables that I have had from my previous home. I did move and I have a lot of stuff that I don't know where I'm going to put them or use them. So I'm going to transform these 3 into a 2-in-1 coffee table and a console table. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how to join all 3 of these tables together. And when I've figured out a pattern that I'm comfortable with, I'm going to be using wood to hold all the tables together. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The tables are still separated, so what I'm going to do now is attach all of them together with screws. When I was done, I spray painted it gold. I then covered some of the rough parts that were on the inside with a white board. And I'm going to hold this board to the tables with zip ties, only because I have iron that's at the back. As you can see, there's a gap there, and that's because of the iron that's at the back that's attached to the tables. So I'll be attaching the board to the iron at the back with zip ties. To make this table more interesting, I'm going to be adding LED lights to it. It is battery operated and also uses a remote control to make it easy to turn the lights on and off. I'll be attaching this in such a way that I'll have easy access to the batteries to change them in the future. Doing it this way makes it super easy to change the batteries. These are more items from my other apartment that I haven't used, and I would love to use it for this project. This is not wide enough, so I'll be adding a little bit of wood on both sides before I then join them to the other boards. After placing it there, I realized that it would be nice to have curves that would follow the design of the mirror, so I used a jigsaw to make my cuts. I'll be adding mirrors to the two sides that are bare using a strong adhesive. I also used a bit of hot glue just to keep the mirrors in place as I work. I'm gonna leave this overnight to set properly. Now for the sides, I'll be using trim from Lowe's, spray painted gold, and attach them to these two sides here, and the sides they'll be at the top as well. But before I add that one, I'm gonna be using beads to decorate the edges. I would like to cover some sides that are not pretty to the eyes, so I'll be using a trim and covering it up with gold contact paper. I'll be using this old glass that I've had for a while now. I'll clean it up and use it as a tabletop. Now, as you can see, it's not long enough, so I'm gonna have to cover the open spaces with mirrors. I cut down mirrors to the size that I want, and I attach them to the glass because I have to make sure that this is gonna be easy to remove because I'll be using it as a coffee table and a console table. I should have reduced the size of the mirrors so that I can have more light, but it's still okay the way it is. I like to switch up my designs once in a while in the home, so this is not going to be my permanent coffee table. I'll be making other ones so that I can change the decor in the house every now and then to keep it interesting. I kept the video dark so you guys can see the way the light reflects out of the table. Because it's really wide, it can also be used as a console table, and I really love the pattern that the legs of the full table gave to this design. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. If you want to use it as a coffee table or a console table, it's still going to be so pretty, and I really love the way this turned out.
But I know that I want to be where you are.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.
The person that